Hello everyone, welcome to Naziya forum. Naziya forum. Today I want to discuss here midterm question paper. Midterm question paper, that is biology. Okay, I can discuss a whole question paper here with answers. Okay, careful agi nodi. I can start here. Okay, biology PUC first year. First PU midterm question paper, that is 2025, 70 marks question paper. Okay, first one, choose the correct alternative from the given below. Okay, 52 questions are there here. Likens an association between algae and fungi, algae and bacteria, bacteria and fungi, algae and virus, that is algae and fungi. Okay, find out mismatch pair with respect to shape of bacteria: coccus and spiral shape, bacillus rod shape, spirulum spiral shape, vibrio oval shape, vibrio oval shape. Okay, which group of the plant are known as amphibians of plant kingdom? That is algae, pteridophytes, bryophytes, gymnosperm, bryophytes. Second largest phylum of animal is Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Porifera, that is mollusca. Pneumatic bones are characteristic feature of amphibians, birds, reptiles, mammals. Birds. Epipetalous condition is what? The stamen attached to a petals, that is epipetalous. Bulliform cells are characteristic cells of upper epidermis of monocot leaf. Winter sleep in a frog is called hibernation. That is one kind of specific character of frog. Winter sleep, hibernation. Cell organelles rich in a hydrolytic enzyme, that is we call it as a lysosome. Okay, lysosome. Prokaryotic ribosomes are 70S type, which contain 50S and 30S subunits. Okay, identify group containing only secondary metabolites, that is toxin, alkaloids, lectins and drugs. Okay, insulin is a polymer of fructose. Insulin either the polymer idu, that is a polymer of fructose. Cytokinin in a plant cells occurs by the formation of cell plate. Tympanum in a frog is represent ear. Frog ear, that we call it as a tympanum. Identify the correct sequence of event that prophase 1 of meiosis: leptotin, zygotin, pectin, diplotin and diakinesis. Fill in the blanks. Choose the given below. They are already given answers here. Choose properly. First one is dash are the organs, that organ of phylum Arthropoda, Malpighian tubules. Synapsis process associated with zygote. Nidoblast are help for the defense and capture the prey of Synanthera. Synanthera, the play nidoblast that help to capture the prey. Outer wall of the seed coat is called testa. Testa. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the animal world. These are the some answers I am given here. Next part B, 5 into 2 is equal to 10 marks. 2 marks questions are there here. Define spices. Define species. Write the species name of mango. Species is a group of closely related organisms that are very similar to each other and capable of interbreeding of produce fertile offspring. Species indica. Mangifera indica. Species indica. List of any 4 viral diseases of man: mumps, smallpox, herpes, influenza, AIDS. Write any 2 uses of algae. Food source. Over 70 pieces of marine algae are eaten, that is Porifera, Laminaria, sargassum. Hydrocolloids produce water holding substances. Algin and carrageen, that is we call it as a brown algae and red algae. Agar, that is obtained from Gelidium and used for the grow of microbes and making of ice creams. preparation. Food supplements chlorella and used as a space traveler. That is uses of algae. Write the Venetian name of Venetian in a dicot leaf. Arrangement of veins and windlets in the lamina of a leaf is termed as a venation. Dicotyledonous plants generally possess the reticulate venation. With respect to vascular bundle, identify A and B. See the structure. Vascular bundle. A is radial vascular bundle. B is conjoint open tap vascular bundle. Okay. Give the two distinguished character of male frog. Vocal sac sound produce the vocal sac located in the throat region and folded in structure. Copulatory pads present in the first digit of forelimb, which help to copulation of holding the females in a frog, male frog. Okay, next 2 marks question is name the types of plastid that store starch and oil. Amyloplast store the starch, Elioplast store the oil and fat. Okay, mention the 3 classes of algae with an example. Chlorophyceae, that is green algae, example Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Ulothrix, Pyrogera, Cara. Phaeophyceae, that is we call it as a brown algae, example is Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Sargassum, Fucus. Rhodophyceae, that we call it as a red algae, example is Polysiphonia, Porifera, Gelidium. Okay, 29. Write the any 3 unique character of phylum Porifera. Specialized cells, conocytes, lined spongocele and canals. Water canal system, water enters through the minute pores that we call it as ostia in the body wall, flows into the central cavity that is called spongocele, exits through the large opening that we call it the osculum. Support system, body support by skeleton made up of spicules and spongin fibers. 13th, explain the function of different structure of flame cell, radula and water vascular system. Functions, you should write down the function. Function of flame cell is, that is flame cells which are present in a platyhelminthes. These cells called flame cell, they help in osmoregulation and excretion. Radula present in mollusca. Mouth contain file-like rasping organs for feeding called radula, help to feeding. Water vascular system in echinodermata and help in locomotion, capture the prey and transport the food and respiration. Draw the diagram of stomata. In 2 marks you should label the 4 or 5 parts. Okay, first one is see the structure of subsidiary cells, chlorophyll, stomatal pore, stomata. Okay, these are structures. Next, list the any salient feature of family Fabaceae. Vegetative characters, you should write down vegetative characters and floral characters, inflorescence, flower, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, fruits and seeds. Okay, if you want, just note down these answers. Write a note on factors affecting enzyme activity. First one is temperature and pH. Okay, second substrate of concentration, third inhibitor. These 3 are the factors that affect the enzyme's activity. Draw the diagram and view of cell cycle, that is G1, S, G2, M. G1 is growth cell 1, growth cell and multiplication phase. Okay, this is a cell cycle, diagram of cell cycle. Next, mention the general character of gymnosperm. Here see, so many characters are here I am given here for the 5 marks purpose. General characters: root system, stem, leaves, reproduction, male reproduction structure, female reproduction structures. If you want, just note down all characters. If you like this routine examination, you can get it out of 8 marks. Next, write 5 difference between chondrichthyes and osteichthyes. Class chondrichthyes, osteichthyes, endoskeletal, cartilaginous bony, habitat, strictly marine, marine freshwater, mouth position vertical, terminal, gill cover, separated, 4 pair of gill covered by operculum, scales, tough skin with minute placoid cells, skin covered with tenoid scales, air bladder is absent, present. Okay, these are some characters. Next, give the general character of phylum Arthropoda. So many characters are already I am given here. If you want, just note down all those things here. Okay. Next, define placentation within 4 type of placentation: marginal, axial, parietal, basal, and free central placentation. Describe the structure of mitochondria. Mitochondrial structure I have described here. If you want to draw the diagram, that is also good. First draw the diagram and then also describe it, but here they said only description. Okay, that's why description is very important. Next, the initial DNA amount is 2 in a cell and will be the DNA amount G1 phase after S phase and G2 phase respectively. Say G1 phase is 2N, after S phase is 4N, G2 phase is 4N. See here I am given. Note down all those things. If you want, write any 2 key feature of metaphase and mitosis and difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Okay, write the function of plasma membrane. Next, what is the centromere and does the centromere is the basic classification of chromosome support and cells with a diagram. Already see metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, telocentric diagram. Already I am given here. Please note down all those things. Name the enzyme involved in the following activities: oxidoreduction, hydrolysis, lysase, isomerase, ligase, and draw the diagram of animal cell. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, I am given all this material I am given in description box. If you want, please go and collect this information in a description box. Okay, I hope you will understand. This is a midterm question paper, fresh midterm question paper. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. If you want a detailed video, please comment below. If you want a detailed video, please comment below. Thank you.